So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to see about debug function. So let's get started. When you are actually writing code, a lot of time you will be having some errors in your code. Maybe you will write some code and you will be having like wrong computation. Okay. Maybe you wanted that some number will be having some intended value. And in the code, it's like very difficult for you to actually see that whether the inputs or the mid values which are calculated in your program are right or wrong. So in that case, debugging comes into picture. Now, if you go for debugging with the print statements, which is like the most common way of debugging by using let's your out object in this case, because okay, your out object in this case, okay, let's say n comma not will be having here this by using your out object, then yes, it will work. It will work. Okay. And it will work. This. And it's also a good way, but it's not the best way to actually do it. Out statements can handle all the things, but to enhance that more, okay, we will be using a function which is this, okay, debug function. Okay, we'll be using this debug function. What this debug function does is that it's going to convert all the things which you will pass to it into an array and show it to you. Now you'll see like you can see that you will have suggestions debug n comma m. Okay, and there is no limit how many uh, parameters you can pass to debug. You can pass like hundreds of parameters into debug, and debug will give you the output. Here I am debugging n and m, so I'll be having done this. Okay, and now let's say I have inputted like one test case from this line. This is one, and say the n and m are 3 and 4. So they will be print like printed like this 3 comma 4. This is how you can debug your values. You can debug single value or multiple values using debug function. Okay. Another example which you often see that you will be creating an array. And here I will be taking an example of like already created array. But in most of the computer programming questions, you take inputs for array. Okay. So majority of the time you want to see that what are the values of arrays you have actually read. So what you can do is debug A. What I see this debug A. Don't worry about this warning here. Okay, don't worry about this warning. You can directly run it and for the test case rather than one. So you can see that it actually printed array. Similarly, you can have like integer n equals let's say 25, 24. So you can simply debug that also here, comma n. Sorry. So if you run it now, you have the level one, and you can see array is there here, and this is the 34, that's the n. So you can debug any kind of values, even if I say string this. Okay, string let's say Java. Okay, and I'll pass string here as okay, and if I run it now, like one, and you can see that array is debugged, number is debugged, and string is debugged. You can pass any kind of values, any number of values into that. Okay. and this way that will get debugged. So debug will help you to make your code short, but still helps you to see your mid processing stages clearly and improve your code. Okay, so hope this helps. And in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it. Leave your comments in the comment section, and you can like this video if you liked this function. And yeah, thank you for watching, and bye bye.